noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of the Brasstown Ball Blue Ridge transmitters. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Brasstown Ball transmitter: Fannin, Lufkin, Towns, Union, and White in Georgia, and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilroy in Georgia, and Cherokee County in North Carolina, and Polk County in Tennessee. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast